All right, we got this thing going out of the bag. This is the Moncler Ecrins. Check that sign if you want. I got the Moncler coat hanger. Take this out for a minute, and I got the size too. I weigh about 160 pounds. Here's the receipt. 1,560. I went to Shore Hills, Neiman Marcus. All right, we're gonna leave that receipt over there. We also got the tags down here, and this is very, very hard. Size 2 Neiman Marcus, like I said, 1,560. And then you have the size chart on the back of it. That's what the real Monclers look like if you're buying it. And that's the second tag, barcode, size 2, yada yada yada. And this is how the zippers look. I know a lot of people buy this, secondhand, so just pay close attention to that. That's how a real Moncler should look. And then on the back, got the Moncler with the R trademark. All right, this is the Moncler Ecrin. This is not the Maya. The Maya has the little mouth guard right here on the coat, and the Maya is actually 1,300. This is 1,500, 1,560. 15 and change, 13 and change. But this is how the zipper should look. The Moncler sign engraved in it. And I gotta show you guys the cartoon. That's the right side. Moncler. Here you go. And on the left side, got the cartoon, of course. Look how perfect the stitches look. And a lot of fake ones got stitches like busting out. Pay attention to the cartoon. Look at the colors. Look at the handwriting. Everything is clear. The certified. All right. And I know a lot of people got the Mayas and they got the tags right here, but on the Ecrins it's different. You got the pocket right here. Also pay attention to this pocket. All right. This is how a real Moncler Ecrin should look. All right. Let's pull this down. And then over here, you have your scanner. Make sure when you buy this coat, you verify it yourself. Should look something like this. I just love this red, man, and it's not too shiny, but it's very noticeable. I love the hood. I love how the hood looks. Check out the sleeves. It already comes buttoned up on a part of the sleeve, but if you want it tighter on the wrist, you can put the second one in. Also pay attention to that Moncler sign again. No blemishes, no incorrect stenching. Everything is to perfection with the Moncler. Look at that. Very high quality. I know a lot of fakes got some pretty good. They gotten way better. When I was coming up, Moncler been out here for a while. Look at that engraved. They gotten better. So it's very, very hard to tell if your Moncler is fake. But one thing that I know for sure, check this out. Got my phone right here. Put it up to the tag. There you go. Open code. There you go again. Open the code. And you can pretty much verify it from there. Or you can do it manually with the tag I just showed you guys in here. And that's pretty much how you do it, man. Verify your coats. Make sure nobody can steal it from you. Moncler is very, very heavy on this stuff, man. They take very good care of their products. I know I'm pretty late in the Moncler game, but for anybody that's interested, please get a pair. But this is pretty much what you're getting if you're buying the authentic and you take care of your coats. Make sure if you're buying a second hand that it meets the requirements that I just showed you guys. I'm gonna try this bad boy on for you guys to see all the correct stitching on there. All right, you guys, this is pretty much how the coat looks. Remember, I'm 6 foot. This is a size 2, which is pretty much a small, you know. Check out the sleeve. I got pretty long arms, but still meets pretty well. This coat is really made for it to be small, you know. You just have your white tee on. And on the right side, from behind. Yes, sir. Right now, I'm gonna zip it up for you guys so you have a better perspective of the coat. You know, I should take the I suggest keeping on the authenticity. I'm messing up on a word today, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The authentication, you know, and this is zipped up all the way, pretty much. Right now, I'm gonna try on the hood for you guys. Very warm, very, very warm. And the idea is to be very light with it too, you know. It's very lightweight. You're very comfortable. That's one thing I gotta say, you're very comfortable. You know, I can easily tell I'm gonna be very warm for the winter time, you know, especially with this hat on. I'm gonna definitely buy a Moncler hat. I just bought this hat, you know, just to make the video with, you know. All right. And right now, I'm going to do the last view for this video. I'm gonna have the hood up and I'm gonna close it all the way, so you could pretty much have a idea how it is. Very nice, man. Very nice if I say so myself. You know. And this is pretty much good for the snow, for the rain. Even when it's not even that cold outside, you know, you just want to be fashionable. It's very comfortable. Like I said, you know, you leave the house with a white t-shirt on, you know. Go to a party, go to an event. Very stylish. You don't have to do too much. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That's the Moncler Ecrins, man. Moncler Ecrins. I definitely suggest people to drop that money for it, you know. It's for winter time, you know. For a good coat, you definitely want to spend good money for it. I gotta say, even though I'm pretty late to the Moncler game, I could definitely see somewhere in the future where I get another purchase, you know. Very stylish. You know, that red Moncler is just so eye-catching, you know what I'm saying? Like, very eye-catching. I got the Canada Goose. If you guys didn't check that out already, make sure you do. It's on my YouTube page. I had a Canada Goose parka. I'm also going to get a moose knuckle. Stay tuned. I'm going to review that too. I'm going to have the authentication for you guys. I'm going to make sure everything is real for you guys. I would like to get the mall pickups as well. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm in here for a long time, man. I'm really trying to get my subscribers up. I'm on the road to 1,000 right now. There's a fly in the video. But yeah, I'm on the road to 1,000 right now. And I would appreciate you guys to stay tuned. Follow me on IG, Fresh Cuts, FRESHHCUTZ. I'm gonna put it down below in the description. I will reach out to you guys. Support, much love. And you already know, man, please be safe out here. Have a blessed winter. I'll be back with another luxury item. Peace.